Welcome everyone! Today, I'm drawing a cute duck with a baby in a pond. Grab a marker and ruler to draw a rectangle. This will create a nice frame to bind our drawing.
Wow!
First I'll draw the duck's beak and head. Followed by the wing and tail.
Oh!
Now, I add 2 big eyes to bring the duck to life. Let's draw a smaller, adorable baby duck behind the big duck. I add his cute little eyes and a tiny beak. So cute! Now, I'll sketch the pond edge with some tall grass and reed plants to conclude the background. Lastly, I'll draw some fluffy clouds in the sky for a chip. Our drawing is now complete. Time to add some fun colors. First, I pick yellow for the duck's body to make it bright and lively. Next, I'll use orange for the beak, cheeks, and wings.
You're so cute!
For the baby duck, I'll use the same colors, yellow for the body and orange for the beak. Now, I'll color the water in the pond with a beautiful sky blue.
Wow! Wow!
For the grass, I use green, and for the reed plants, I pick red.
Wow!
That's amazing!
For the sky, I use deep blue for a vibrant background.
Superb!
Genius!
Is blue sky your favorite? Let me know in comments.
Okay.
Oh my god!
Everything is coming together so beautiful. It looks like a storybook scene.
Maybe you're right.
Great!
Finally, I'll take a black marker to highlight the entire drawing, making everything pop.
Outstanding!
And we're done.
Yeah!
Look at this colorful and happy scene.
Yay!
Video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time on Tiny Hands Art.
Bye!